It's between Rashtriya cricketers. After winning the toss, they have decided to bowl first. Invited here for Rohit 11 to come and bat on set of the target in 8 overs. So here we get the signal to start the match here with the first ball of the over. Teddy, who will going to proceed from the far end. Very well played by Kaushik. It's a defensively played along with him Shankar on the non-striking position. In 8 overs, you need to get at least close to 80 plus because the 76 runs was defended in the last match by this team. Just guiding that one towards to the offside. Two good deliveries you can see there from Danny. The batsman is yet to open his accounts. This is the 8 overs match. You can see the first over of the power play is on. Two deliveries been bowled without having any single runs on the scoring card. You can see the field position. One is at the long on and deep square leg. Oh, I think it's a dead ball. You don't have to run for that. Don't know what happens over there. I think it might be hitting onto the stump. That's the reason. Otherwise, this could have been gift offered. But batsman is also in the mood to reject this offer. In fact, no runs, but it's a dot delivery. It doesn't matter. Two balls without scoring any runs on the scoring card. Once again, Danny. This time the beat offer up in the air. Straight at the man at the point region. The first wicket down. Kaushik, the man, he has to depart without troubling the scoring card. His day belongs to him. What a start. In fact, in the last match as well, in the eliminator, he bowled so well. It's a 5 wicket haul for him, and he started with the same form as he left in the last match. On the third delivery of the over, what a catch has been taken at the point region. The Kaushik not able to clear the infield. The new man come in, Sukumar. Rohit 11, they need a desperate win here if they want to qualify in the final of this APL season 2. Shankar is at the non-striking position. They need to get at least 80, close to 80, which will be a fighting total on this ground. Once again, Danny ready to bowl to the new man who just arrived. 3 balls, no runs and a wicket. Very well bowled once again. You can see the right, see the same position here for Danny. He just releasing the ball so well in the end and just putting the pressure back here onto the batsman. No single runs has been taken on the scoring card after having 4 dot deliveries and a wicket. Beautiful conditions here for the cricket. It's an important day. We have seen 2 matches, qualifier 1, whereas Ocean Kings directly qualified after beating Rohit 11 in the qualifier 1. And the fight is going on. Who will going to take on against them? This is that match, whether Rastri or Rohit 11. The match is on, the heat is on for the today's day. 4 balls, no runs and a wicket. Kaushik, the man who departs on the third delivery of the over with a beautiful catch at the point region. The new man, Sukumar, after having the first delivery taught, is yet to open his account. This time, but not able to find the gap. Oh, this is something mishappens. This is might be the only one bounced at the end. That's the reason he just dropped that. So might be, I think Danny is unlucky fellow this time. This ball could have been stopped very easily. The first boundary on the scoring card. Change of pace, but this time just stand and delivered over onto the deep sweeping our point region. That's two couple of bounties in the end. Score moves to 8 for the loss of 1 wicket. This is what happens because of the misfielding, and this time the beat offer here for the batsman to play that good shots, and he makes no timing to play that shot. And you can see now Shankar back on strike. He will going to take on the first time strike in this match against Yashwant. Oh, this time it's a very good backup at the short third man. He certainly saved 4 runs for his team. And what is happening over there? Yes, no. This run could have been taken. There is a miscommunication held up between these two. First of all, might be the batsman thinking that could have been gone for the 4. But it's a very good backup has been given behind the stump at the short third man region. No runs have been taken on that occasion. Score still remains on 8 for the loss of 1 wicket. Oh, this is a very good striker of the ball. Can it be cleared? Yes, he has to go. That's a huge one. It's a humongous sixer. With that sixer, score moves to 14 with the 2 good boundaries. And this time we go for the big against Yashwan. What will going to get the reply here from Yashwan against Shankar? This is in the slot, but not able to get the timing well. The bowler comes in. Oh, he missed that one. I think it looks like there is a backup behind, but he missed that opportunity. It was simple opportunity created. But Yashwan onto the following, he just taken out the eyes at the last moment. That's the reason he's not able to judge that catch. Just a single on that occasion will get a tally to 15. The ball is just kept low here. The batsman might be expected to get a little bit of bounce there so that he can play that square of a wicket. But the ball is just come unexpected to him. No answer here on Sukumar there, who played 2 good shots in the last over with the 2 back-to-back boundaries. This is in the slot, up in the air. This might be a chance. Danny, this belongs to you. And a simple catch has been taken. The second wicket down for Rohit 11, and Sukumar has to depart. New man to come in, Pradosh in the middle order. To get a partnership needs to be built up because they got a very good runs in fact, but the wickets are falling in a regular intervals. That might be something hurt here for Rohit 11 because the last match also they did the same thing, but here they need to get some improvisation in their batting lineup. They have to keep the wickets in hand, find the gaps. Pradosh is also a very good striker of the ball, and Sukumar, after having 2 back-to-back bounties in the last over, he has to go. Oh, up in the air for a little while. It's very lucky. The ball is just not fallen gone in their hands. Just a single and he's just rotating the strike after having 2 overs. Score is 16. Rohit 11, 16 for the loss of 2 wickets right now in 2 overs. So they're going nearly 8 runs per over. If the goal is going like that, the projected score will be around 64, but they need to surplus with that at least 80. They have to get on this scoring card because if we can see, Rashtrori cricketers, they're also having a very good batting lineup. Chani once again will continue from the far end for his second over and the third of the inning. Very defensively played by Pradosh. He knows he don't want to take any calculated risk here because Danny is bowling in a very good variations. You can see the line and lane is just maintaining. It's a beautiful, making the use of the poppy crease there. Oh, this is, I think, just change of pace. Pradosh is just missing the line of the ball there. Two back-to-back dots. The good figures here for Chani in the previous match as well. He have picked the 5 wickets all. And he's continuing the same form which he has been left in the last match. Just finding the gaps there, but I think it will be little bit of fumble in the fielding, but can be brought back. No, it will settle only for a single run. I think Akshay there. You can see the tallest run at the point region who has taken one catch of the man Kaushik on the very first third delivery of the over with the single. 17 is the total score. You can see. Swing of the bat. The ball is just kept low, just missing the line of the ball. This is a very good bowling performance from Tani and for the Rashtrori team. They perform well. First with the bat, now with the ball. This has absolutely been a superb bowling performance from Rashtrori cricketers. Not only bowling, they perform well in the fielding as well. Oh, what a shot. This is just using the front foot. And no, he missed that. He have taken the beautiful catches in the last match. And this is the simple chance. He just dropped. Chani just not convinced. This happens with the beautiful fielding efforts there, but I think in the end, it just taken out the eyes of the ball. That's the reason the ball is just surplus with that boundary. It's just missing the line. Wide outside the off. Extras. Total score moves to 22. Third over is in progress. 6 runs so far in this over. Consider it. Oh, what a fielding there. Certainly saved 3 runs for his team. It just missing the line there. It just might be hitting onto the pads. So end of 3 overs, it's 23 for 2. Very disciplinary bowling attack for Rashtrori cricketers, especially Taddy. Something bad happens because of only because of the some misfielding. That's the reason he just extra added 8 runs in his tally. Otherwise, you can see the best figures for Danny as well in this match. He picked 1 wicket. Doesn't matter. 3 overs, it's 23. Change in bowling action. You can see Vikrant, the birthday boy, Birthday boy also. Vikram will be bowling from the far end to the man Shankar on strike, and Subodh is at the non-striking position. Oh, what a shot into the slot and sends into the other slot. Absolutely superb striker of the ball. This is huge. It's a maximum. Shankar is having a very good striker indeed on this tournament. It's 29. Fourth over is in progress. He just welcomed Vikrant on the very first delivery of the ball. Can it be? Two back-to-back maximum. This is at the same stage. It's just looking like an action replay. Now this is, I think, it's a very good striking. You can see there from Shankar. It's just putting the pressure back here onto the bowling line. Total moves to 35. Oh, this is not able to get the timing well onto the slot. It just got a little bit of leg there, and ball is just traveling onto the onside for a single. With that single, total score moves to 36. In 3 deliveries, this is turning out to be a very good over for Rohit 11. Can they make it big? 3 more balls left in this over so far. 13 runs in the first 3. Total is 36 for the loss of 2. Oh, full toss. This could have been also get very big shot, but I think Pradesh had decided to rotate the strike. You just need to give the company here for Shankar at the other end, who is striking the ball very well. So it's his duty to just rotate the strike. Just a single, 37 is the total score. Oh, not able to get the timing. He's got a little bit of inside edge of the ball. One more delivery to left. So very good comeback there from Vikram after having 2 back-to-back sixes. Then you can see in another 3 deliveries, 3 singles. Total score is now moves to 38. Oh, he's going for the big one. This time missing the line. It's a dot to finish up. So end of 4 overs at the half stage. 38 for the loss of 2 wickets. Rashtrori cricketers. And after this, you're going to have a little bit of change in the commentary action. Along with me, it's Sham Kalangudkar for next 4 overs.
Thank you, Nilesh. And this will be the power play over. 3 fielders will be allowed outside the 30-yard circle. Looks like deep square leg, deep mid-wicket and long on the boundary fence. 38 for 2 after 4 overs. Yes, Yashwant to Shankar. Shankar along with Pradosh Warke in the middle. Starts off with a wide extra. Score moves to 39. Excellent piece of bowling again by Danny Kodwani to start off the proceedings with that main wicket of Kaushik Pednekar. Any team getting the back of Kaushik Pednekar very early, very fruitful for them, as he can be destructive. Lining up is Shankar, trying to hit it over the mid-wicket fence, missing it completely. Dot delivery. A big thank you to Madam Delilah Lobo, MLA, Sholim constituency, and Vice Chairman, ESG, Entertainment Society of Goa, Shri Michael Lobo, MLA, Kalangud constituency. Big hit in the air, chance, settling, and oh, what's happened there? It's gone between them. Just like it's mine, and nobody's. It's went between them. Just like a girl passing between them. They were watching at each other. Somebody else's advantage. Another boundary this time. Score moves to 43. 43 for 2. Advancing in the air and taken. Excellent grab by Danny Kodwani. You just can't keep him out of the game. Everything he touches makes it to gold at the moment. 43 for 3. So new man is Gangaram Varke. So both the brothers in the middle. Gangaram Varke and Pradosh Varke. Excellent grab again by Danny. Keeping his eyes on the ball, keeping his eyes on the boundary. He knew exactly where the boundary was. Timing his jump to perfection and taking a blinder. Again putting his team in excellent position with that catch. New man in Gangaram. Just need to get going straight away. Just need to get off strike. Needs to get his brother back on strike. Nicely played. And will just be a single to get the mark. Score moves to 44. 44 for 3. Projected score from here on at this 9.43 runs per over might just get you to 75. 75, 77 will be a good total. Defended by the Rashtriya cricketers in the previous game. In that eliminator 1. 2 deliveries to go in this over. And change in field for Pradosh. Sweeper cover on the boundary fence. Sweeper cover long on and deep square leg. Shimmy down the wicket. And that's gone for a boundary. 1 bounce over the ropes. Score moves to 48. Just that need to keep a composure against the likes of Pradosh Varke. Just can't afford to err in length. Can't afford to give freebies like this for the batsman Yashwant. Nicely bowled, slower delivery and nicely played as well with just a single. Will retain the strike after completion of 5. It's 49. 49 for 3 after 5 overs. Rohit 11. After completion of 5, 49 for 3. And change in bowling, it will be Vikrant from the stands end to Pradosh Varke. Reverse sweep, trying, missing it completely. Chance of run out, but won't be. Will just be a single in form of buys. And with that, 50 up for the Rohit 11. 50 for 3. And this is the 6th over in progress. 2 more to go after this, and definitely will be eyeing to get towards that 80-90 kind of a mark. These 2 men in the middle. Gangaram on strike this time. Nicely bowled, straight to the bowler. A dot delivery. Pretty smart customer is Vikrant. Military medium pace doesn't allow the batsman to get underneath his deliveries. Quite overs, and the crucial overs that have been bowled by him. Any juncture of the game, in any team, whichever he plays, very crucial. Nicely worked. Will just be a single, unless and until it's a fumble. Looking for the second one, but Danny is quick, very quick. Just like how he's quick on the internet, on Instagram especially. Sees the funny side of it. Definitely will be doing that dye tattoo very soon. Sees the funny side. 51 for 3 now. In the air, chance, and dropped. That's gone through again. Third drop. And what's happening for the Rashtrohi cricketers in the field? This time it's Akshay at the deep mid-wicket fence. Pradosh gets a let off, and he'll be definitely trying to keep his head down and trying to think, if I'm given the chance, it's my day, why don't I capitalize? Full toss delivery down the ground, another opportunity, this time gone. Straight to Mahadev. Luck for the other brother, not for him. He's unfortunate. He has to head back to the pavilion. So new man in is Darpan. Darpan Galot. New man in will be facing the first delivery. As per the new ICC rules, a batsman getting dismissed, bowled, stumped, caught, hit wicket, obstructing the field is straight onto the strike. Trying to play it over square leg. In fact, over fine leg. Missed it completely. Dot ball to end the over. After completion of 6, 52 for 4. 52 for 4 after 6 overs. 2 more overs to go. Change in bowling. It will be the birthday boy, Purushkar, in the bowling attack. Mahadev to Pradosh. Just 12 deliveries left, and seems like it. Pradosh needs to play 10 out of those, so that if they can get to around another 30-40 runs, bonus about 30-40 more runs. Definitely need to protect your wicket as well, as not much batting left for the Rohit 11. A tribute to one of our own, late Rohit Bhiva Pednekar. Short pitch delivery. In fact, that's a wide. Extras. Score moves to 53. 53 for 4. Looking for the ramp and missed it completely. Dot delivery again. Just trying too many things at the moment. Just need to keep a calm head and try and get the runs that they need through conventional strokes. That's more like it. That's the Pradosh Warke we know. Down the ground for 6. Score moves to 59 with that maximum. Again hitting the toe into the bat, this time dot delivery. So far in this over, 3 deliveries and 7 runs. First one was wide, next a dot, then 6, now a dot. So just 3 deliveries have been bowled. That's big, that's another one. This time it's gone even further. And it's another maximum. Pradosh Warke, 65 for 4. Still 2 deliveries left in this over of Mahadev. Short pitch delivery again, down the ground again, and 6 more. Talking about prediction, we predicted 3 deliveries, 2 maximums. Has given 2 deliveries, 2 sixes. And won't be any surprises if this one also disappears out of the park. 71 for 4. Final delivery of this penultimate over. In the air this time. Fielder backpedaling. In the air. And taken. Gone. Ashutosh takes that catch. And Mahadev will have the last laugh. So New Manon is another birthday boy, Manish Sawant. He'll be at the non-striking end. 71 for 5 after 7 overs. Final over coming up, and it will be bowled by Priyesh Sodankar. Number 32 on his back. All humans have 32 teeth. 32. And he's been given that 32. 32. 71 for 5. Final over coming up. Final 6 deliveries. Legitimate deliveries left in this innings. Darpan just trying to tap it. On the offside will just be a single. Score moves to 72. Danny Kodwani will be very happy with the proceedings. Danny along with his partner Mayur Dargarkar seems like to be enjoying at this moment. Full toss in the air, chance and taken this time. Salvaging some pride. Here's Akshay. Half tracker again, hitting the toe end of the bat. And both times the birthday boy is gone for golden ducks. So it's a pair for him. New Manon is Virat Kolwarkar. $72 for 6. Full toss. And that's gone. 72 for 7 now. Another one gone. So will be a hat-trick delivery. So New Manon is Jitendra Pavaskar. Will be facing the music of this hat-trick delivery from Priyesh. Final 3 deliveries left in this innings. Last 3 deliveries, 72 for 7. The stage looked like might just cross 80-90 when Pradosh Warke was batting, but after his dismissal, it just has gone nowhere. Nicely bowled. Will just be a single. If would have got a hat trick, we all had to listen it for the next decades. It's been corrected. Swing gone through. Very well fielded by Aman. Not throwing it, and rightly so. Why would you give an extra run? Just a single. In fact, score moves to 74. 74 for 7. Final delivery coming up in this innings. Last ball. Can Jitendra Pavaskar hit this one out of the park? Certainly trying for it in the air. Chance. And it's been taken. Excellent over coming to an end to finish the innings. So after completion of 8 overs, 74 for the loss of 8. What could be managed by the Rohit 11 after being put into bat by the Rashtri cricketers. 75 will be the target. Talking about the scorecard. Kaushik Pednekar gone early. Again disappointed us. Gone for a duck. Was accounted by Danny. Shankar Murgaonkar was batting really well. Unfortunately, he also got out for 29. Sukumar Palyekar went for 8. Pradosh Warke was looking good in the back end of the overs. 26. Gangaram Warke, Darpan Galot, Manish Sawant, Virat Kolwarkar and Jitendra couldn't do much. So 74 for 8. Just the 6 extras that were given by the Rashtri team. Pick up the bowlers. This time it's Yashwant and Priyesh. Yashwant bowled 2 overs, 18 runs, 2 wickets. Danny supported him in the initial overs, picking up that big wicket of Kaushik. 2 overs, 14 runs, 1 wicket. Vikrant also bowled really well. 2 overs, 17 runs, 1 wicket. Mahadev bowled 1 over, gave 19 runs. That's too much by his standards. Picked up a wicket as well of Pradosh Warke. But the star of the bowling is Priyesh Sodankar. 1 over, 3 runs, 3 wickets. So the target will be 75 for the Rashtri cricketers to book their place in the finals against the Ocean Kings. Shortly, we'll have the run chase.
स्वागत असा परत एकदा सगळ्यांच्या या मैदानाच्या आतमध्ये तुमका घेऊन चलतो. 75 धावांची गरज असा राष्ट्रवादी क्रिकेट संघाक आणि समोर असा गोलंदाज कौशिक पहिल्या चेंडूचो पहिलो बॉल घेऊन येता आणि समोर असा तो संघाचो कर्णधार मयूर आणि त्याच्या साथी गिल्ला असा अक्षय. 75 धावा काढूचे लागतले 8 षटकात. सुंदर फटको यावेळी ऑनसाइडच्या दिशेने खेळून काढलो. आपलो संघाचो एक बोणी केलेली असा. एक धावेनिशेन धावसंख्येत बदल संघाचा आणि आपला वैयक्तिक खाता खोललेला असा. तर या रणसान आता अक्षय स्ट्राईक एंडच्या दिशेन आणि समोर असा कौशिक. फुलटा चेंडू हवेत उडालेलो कारंजो बघूचो लागतलो. वळत येऊन चेंडू पडलो अखंड्या पार गडग्या पार षटकार. परत एकदा अक्षय तयार. समोर असा कौशिकचा सामना करून तयार. मारून गेलेलो खंयतरी फटको अलग आणि रावबाचो इशारा होता की डायरेक्ट हिट लागलो असतं तर कदाचित क्लोज कॉल झाला असता. परंतु लेग बायचा इशारा इल्लेला असा. एक अतिरिक्त धावसंख्या झालेली असा 8. धावा कशाही येऊन देत पण धावा येणं खूप गरजेचा असा. 75 धावाचा लक्ष्य पार करूचा आणि अंतिम सामन्यामध्ये पोहोचायचा या लक्ष्य ठेवून असा तो राष्ट्रवादी क्रिकेट संघ. हवेत उडालेलो कारंजो पॉइंटच्या दिशेवर परत एकदा सीमा पार चौकार. असा याका डझनाचेर 12 धावा. सुंदर सुरुवात झालेली असा ती राष्ट्रवादी क्रिकेट संघाची. परत एकदा गॅप मध्ये खेळून काढलेलो हो ऑनसाइडच्या दिशेने फक्त एक धाव बॅटता. परत एकदा कचा क्षेत्ररक्षण तुमका बघून बॅटता परंतु नियंत्रण ठेवल्यान आणि एकाच धावेवरती समाधान मानूचा लागताला. धावसंख्या झालेली असा 13. पहिला षटक चालू असा. पॉवर प्लेचा या षटक तुमका बघून बॅटता. लाखाचे 12,000 करणारा हो सामना तुमका बघून बॅटता. जो संघ जिंकतलो तो पोहोचतलो अंतिम सामन्यात. ओशन किंग्स ओ संघ त्यांचं वाट बघता कुठलो संघ आपल्या समोर येता तो. परत एकदा माका वाटतं काय घडला काय बिघडला काय कळाला नाही परंतु निर्धाव मात्र चेंडू गेलेलो असा. सांगत होता ते पहिल्या षटकाची 13 धावा झालेल्या असत. बिनबादाची सुरुवात डीजे. गोलंदाजी मार्कवरती गोलंदाज होता तो प्रदोष. आज फलंदाजी सुंदर केल्यान. शेवटच्या काही षटकामध्ये हाणामारीची फलंदाजी तुमका बघून भेटली ती प्रदोषाच्या कडल्यान. आता मात्र गोलंदाजी कडल्यान तुझ्या कडल्यान अपेक्षा असतली तुझ्या संघाक. बघूया आता प्रदोष आणि मयूरची ही जोडी एकमेकाविरुद्ध कशी गोलंदाजी आणि फलंदाजी करत असतात ते. ऑनसाइडच्या दिशेने गॅपमध्ये खेळून काढल्यान एक धावेची भर नक्कीच पडतली. धावसंख्या झालेली असा 14. सुंदर फलंदाजी तुमका बघून भेटता ती मयूर आणि अक्षय याच्या कडल्यान. एक षटकार अक्षयने खेचल्यान परंतु मयूर त्याला चांगली साथ देता. एक चौकार त्याच्या बॅटमधून आपण बघितलो. अक्षय आता स्ट्राईक इंडियनच्या दिशेने. धावसंख्या 14. 15 माफ करा. आकुट टप्प्याचा चेंडू होतो. बॅट आणि चेंडू काय संपर्क होऊ शकला नाही. या वाजलेला साधा तर धडीदार कित्याक बादात. परत एकदा अक्षय स्ट्राईक एंडच्या दिशेने. मोठो फटको मारूचो होतो परंतु चेंडू आणि बॅटचो काही संपर्क होऊ शकलो नाही. चेंडू जाता शॉर्ट थर्ड मॅनच्या दिशेने. एक धाव मात्र प्राप्त होता. धावसंख्या बदलता धावसंख्या झालेली असा 15. दुसरा षटक प्रगतीपथाचेर 75 धावाचं लक्ष ओगाटूचो लागतो तो राष्ट्रवादी क्रिकेट संघाक. अजून 60 धाव्यांची गरज असा. मयूर आणि अक्षय ही जोडी सुंदर सुरुवात करून दिलेली असा आपल्या संघाक. आडिया बॅटने खेळण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेल्यान बॅट आणि बॉलचा संपर्क झालो नाही. चेंडू निर्धाव पोलांडो चेंडू गेलेला असा. धावसंख्या तिकडेच रोवली ती 15 धावेचेर. अजून 60 धाव्यांची गरज. याच्यानंतर मोठो फटको मारूचो लागतलो परंतु ऑन साइडच्या दिशेने लॉंग ऑन क्षेत्ररक्षक शंकर तुमका बघूंक मेळटा स्क्रीनचेर. एक धाव मात्र नक्कीच प्राप्त होता. धावसंख्या झाली असा 16. हवेत उडालेलो चेंडू परंतु सुंदर क्षेत्ररक्षण तुमका बघूंक मेळटा पॉइंटच्या दिशेन. एक धाव मात्र नक्कीच पूर्ण केली जाता. धाव संख्या झालेली असा ती 17. 2 षटकाचो खेळ समाप्तीनंतर धाव संख्या 17 म्हणजे अजूनही 6 षटकाचो खेळ बाकी आणि जिंकांक होय ते अजून 58 धावा. त्यानंतर 74 धावाचे अडवल्यान आणि 75 धावाचो पाठलाग करता. ऑफ स्टेमच्या खूपच बाहेर मागता भजी काढल्यान वडे समुद्रात मासो आणि तडीक मॉल. एक अतिरिक्त रन. धावसंख्या 18. ओ या काय घडला बिघडलाय. टार्गेट केल्यान आणि अक्षयची दंडी गोल. पहिलो हदरो बसलो. पहिला कलाम लागला. नवीन फलंदाज इल्लेलो असा तो डॅनी. आज त्याचो दीस असा. बघूया आपल्या संघाक अंतिम सामन्यापर्यंत पोहोचवता की नाही तो. गोलंदाजीमध्ये कमाल केल्याने आता फलंदाजीमध्ये कमाल करूची लागतली. परंतु शंकर पहिल्या चेंडूवरती स्वागत केला तर अक्षय एका तंबूच्या आसऱ्याक धाडल्यान पहिला कलाम लागला 18 रन्साचेर. नवीन फलंदाजीचो इल्लेलो असा 3ऱ्या नंबराचेर तो म्हणजे डॅनी. यावेळी आकुट टप्प्याचा चेंडू होतो. सुंदर गोलंदाजी. थोडंसं बाहेरच्या दिशेन थोडासा स्विंग करायचा प्रयत्न केलेला असा शंकर याने. धावसंख्या तिकडेच रोवलेली असा ती 18चेर. मोठो फटको हवेत उडालेलो चेंडू. बघूया 2-3 क्षेत्ररक्षक आणि हवाळ्यात येऊन चेंडू पडलो. उघडलेल्या तिरपळ्यात जसं दाणो तयार होता. सवाष्टीच्या घोटीत जसं नारळ भरलो जाता जसा लग्नाचं आमंत्रण दिला जाता तसं आमंत्रण इकडे दिल्यान आणि डॅनी हसत हसत तंबूच्या दिशेन दुसरा कलाम लागला. सलग 2 चेंडूवरती 2 हादरे दिल्यान शंकर याने परत आपल्या संघ वापसी करून देत असताना रोहित क्रिकेट संघ हॅट्रिकची संधी उपलब्ध असा आणि बघूया आज हॅट्रिक घेऊ शकता की नाही. नवीन फलंदाज जिल्लेला असा लांब गुरु फलंदाज हॅट्रिक सॉरी ऑनसाईडच्या दिशेने खेळान काढल्याने एक धाव मात्र नक्कीच पूर्ण केली जातली आणि एके धावेनिशी धावसंख्येत बदल. धावसंख्या 19. शंकर सुंदर वापसी करत असताना आपल्या संघाक असा वाटत होता की राष्ट्रवादी संघ एकतर्फी सामना जिंकता की नाही, परंतु शंकर इल्यान आणि आपल्या संघाक एक साजेशी गोलंदाजी करत असताना 2 फलंदाजांका तंबून पाठवल्यान. तिसरा षटक चालू असताना धावसंख्या झालेली असा 19. मयूर आता स्ट्राईक एंडच्या दिशेन आडिया बॅटने खेळण्याचा प्रयत्न. सरळ बॅटने जर रन येतच झाला आडिया बॅटने खेळण्याचा प्रयत्न करू नको. ही अगर सही उंगली से आता है तो टेढ़ी करने की क्या आवश्यकता है. निर्धाव चेंडू गणलो जाता. धावसंख्या 19 आणि परत एकदा दंडी गोल. आज शंकर याने कमाल करून दाखवलाय. आज बाबा तू कोणाचा तोंड बघून इले तर आमका सांगांक काय हरकत नाही. ज्याचं येळ बरो त्याचा खेळ बरो आणि ज्याचा येळ वाईट झाडार चढलेला मनशाक सुद्धा येऊन कुत्रा होता. तीन षटकात खेळ समाप्त. धावसंख्या 19 आणि जवळजवळ 3 गडी बाद झालेले असत. सुरुवात चांगली करून दिल्या पहिल्या 2 षटकात, परंतु शंकर मैदानाच्या आतमध्ये येलो आणि रोहित 11ची धुरा सांभाळल्या आणि 3 गडी बाद केल्यानंतर थोडासा आत्मविश्वास निर्माण झालेला असा तो रोहित 11 संघाक. 75 धावाचो लक्ष्याचो पाठलाग त्यांना करूचो असा. अजूनही 5 षटकांचो खेळ बाकी आणि 56 धाव्यांची गरज. 30 चेंडू आणि 56 धावा. यवार एकदम कडक. गोलंदाजी मार्गवरती परत एकदा कौशिक आणि समोर असा तो उंच कोरो फलंदाज रामा. गॅप मध्ये खेळण्याचा प्रयत्न पंच दिशेन क्षेत्ररक्षक चेंडूवरती. आता 1 धाव मात्र पूर्ण केली जाता. 3 गडी बाद झाल्यानंतर थोडंसं दबाव निर्माण झालेला असा तो राष्ट्रवादी क्रिकेट संघाचेर. 1 धावेनिशी धावसंख्येत बदल. धावसंख्या 20. 29 चेंडू आणि 55 धाव्यांची गरज. स्वाईड चेंडू घोषित केलो जातलो. 1 अतिरिक्त धाव मेळता फुकटची भाकरी तर कशाक करूंक होई चाकरी. रन असे जर मेळटत जाल्यार मारूंक कित्याक होय. 1 अतिरिक्त धाव. धावसंख्येत बदल. धावसंख्या 21. हे रन रोखूचे लागतले ते म्हणजे रोहित 11 या संघाक. उडालेलो कारंजो बघूचो लागतलो. चेंडूच्या क्षेत्ररक्षणाच्या डोक्यावरसून चेंडू आखांड्या पार डायरेक्ट चंद्रार. षटकार. सामनो एकदम कडक चालू असा. 27 धावा झालेले असत. अजून 48 धावांची गरज असा. याच्यानंतर तुमका 4 षटकांचो खेळ बघूंक भेटतलो, परंतु सामनो ऑन असा. परत एकदा सुंदर फटको. डीप एक्स्ट्रा कव्हर बाउंड्रीच्या दिशेने तुमका बघूंक भेटता. क्षेत्ररक्षक थंय उपस्थित असा. फक्त 1 धाव मात्र खर्च केली जाता. धावसंख्येत 1 ने बदल. धावसंख्या 28. चौथा षटक चालू असता. या षटकात 1 षटकार खेचल्यान आणि परत एकदा बघूचो लागतलो. रामा मैदानाच्या आतमध्ये समोर असा तो कौशिक. आणि आडिया बॅटने रिव्हर्स स्वीपचो फटको खेळण्याचा प्रयत्न. लगा तो आबाद नाही तो बरबाद अशी परिस्थिती निर्माण जाता. निर्धाव चेंडू थोडस दबाव परत एकदा फॅलिंग करणाऱ्या संघाचेर. धावसंख्या फक्त 28 धावांचेर. परत एकदा निर्धाव चेंडू. सुंदर गोलंदाजी परत एकदा वापसी करीत असताना कौशिक परत एकदा गोलंदाजी मार्कवरती. समोर असा तो रामा. मोठे फटकेबाजी करूची लागतली रामा. आता तुका सांगाच खातीर. आणि काहीतरी हलकच आवाज इल्लो परंतु निर्धाव चेंडू गणलो जाता. 4 षटकांचो खेळ समाप्त. 7च्या धारासरीने धावसंख्या वाढता 28. म्हणजे अजूनही शेवटचे 4 षटकांचो खेळ असा आणि जिंकांक होय 47 धावा. तोपर्यंत कॉमेंट्री कक्षात बदल घेऊन चलतो श्याम कलंगुटकराकडल्या.
Thank you, Nilesh. And seems like to be a power play over. APL power play over. Needing another 47 runs to win. 47 in 24 deliveries. Do or die situation for both these teams. Team winning will be meeting the Ocean Kings in the finals. Well, the other team, they'll be sitting here or might be just going home to watch the game. Currently, game evenly poised. 28 for 3 after 4 overs. Needing 47 in 24. Here's Pradosh Warke from the stands end to Pittu Gavas. In the air and taken. Taken this time by Virat. And gone. Another wicket falls. 28 for 4. Still have Mahadev Sime Purushkar and Vikrant as well in that batting lineup. Reverse sweep, missed. Dot delivery. Just trying to use the pace of the bowler. He's not a mug with the bat, but still, you needed to have Mahadev in the middle right now. It's time for him, actually. But it's Ashutosh in the middle. Down the ground, and that's 6. Over mid wicket. Score moves to 34. In the slot and out of the plot. Try Spotify, my friend. Short pitch delivery, cut away and dropped. That's gone through. Chance gone begging. Behind the back of the point region and will be disappointed is Pradosh Warke. Pravin the fielder down there at back of the point. Dropping a sitter. 35 for 4. Last 2 deliveries in this 5th over coming up in this power play over. Really good delivery right on the foot of the batsman. Excellent bowling. That's where you gotta be. Jasprit Bumrah would be proud of that. Base of the foot of the batsman. Go to deliveries as far as the death bowling is concerned for any bowler. That's the best delivery you can bowl in the book. Yorker. Again, good delivery, looking for a quick single. And will definitely get the single in form of leg buys. After completion of 5, it's 36. 36 for 4 after completion of 5 overs. Needing another 39 runs to get. 39 runs required in 3 overs. So 13 runs per over for the Rashtrohi cricketers. Shankar Murgaonkar, the game changer. All you can see the impact in this game. Runs with the bat and 3 wickets in his first over. Here's up against Rama. Good delivery again, trying to dig that one out. Just can't. Simple cricketing terms. Get bat on ball, get off strike. Try and give as much strike as your partner, and then you can also have it. Take the game deep. That's more like it. This kind of freebies will be presented and you need to take advantage on those kind of deliveries. That's gone for 6. Oh, needing 33 in 16 deliveries. You're just not done with the game yet. 4 wickets already gone, but these 2 men very much capable. That's gone through, and that's a dot delivery, left alone. Still have a lot of batting. In fact, Mahadev Sumesh Purushkar in the ranks. Shimmy down the wicket in the air. Will be falling short of that fielder. On the bounce to him. By the time he comes, collects and throws it back. Just a single. Score moves to 43. 32 in 14 deliveries. 32 required in 14 deliveries. Swing, miss, dot delivery, excellent bowling. After going for a maximum, comeback has been pretty good by Shankar. Final delivery coming up, 7 runs of this over so far. And it will be only 7 in this over. After completion of 6, it's 43 for 4. 43 for 4 after 6 overs, needing another 32 runs to get. 32 in 12 deliveries. Runs per over. Now it has gone to 16 runs per over. And change in bowling. It will be Sukumar Paliyekar into the attack. 32 required in 12 deliveries. Ramchandra on strike. His partner at the other end, Ashutosh. Good delivery. Dot ball. Excellent bowling this. Not allowing the batsman to raise arms. Dot delivery. And seems like Ramchandra is retired out. So new man in, the big man, Mahadev Sumesh Purushkar. Has he kept a good innings in store for us on his birthday? Is he trying to upset the plans of Rohit Levin? Only time will tell. Full toss, on the bounce, gone over. Gone for 4. Starts off with the boundary. In 10 deliveries. 10 deliveries, 28 runs. Again, Sukumar Paliyekar. Short pitch delivery. That one kept low and that's gone. That's gone for 4. Just gets enough bat on it to send it across for 4. Dealing in boundaries is Mahadev. Score moves to 51 with that boundary. 51 for 5. Needing another 24 runs to win. 24 in 9 deliveries. Gettable. Cricket is a funny game. You need 24. You need 30. That can be achieved. But when you need 6 in an over, it becomes difficult. Just can't tell the outcome right now. That's gone through and that's a dot delivery. So 24 in 8. 3 runs per over. 3 runs per delivery, in fact. Swing, missed, excellent. It's really good comeback by Sukumar. 24 required in 7. Definitely will be trying to get a single now. And why don't I keep the strike? Don't want to put any pressure on Ashutosh. Just get a single. I'll retain the strike. Next over 23, I'll do it. No. He was trying for a big hit. And that's a big wicket. 51 for 6. And seems like the Rohit 11 already know that they are into the finals with that wicket. So change in bowling. It will be Darpan Galot bowling the final over. Hopefully, his team reaching the finals, that kind of over they need. 24 runs to defend. New man in is Aman. He's at the non-striking end. Another explosive batsman. All the explosiveness you need right now. 6 deliveries. That's what you can get. If you don't, come next season. Come for next season and play for the next season. This 6 deliveries decides the fate of your team. Ashutosh on strike. 24 runs to get. Yes, Darpan. Big hit in the air. Chance. No. Gone for 6. What a stress reliever from Ashutosh. $18 required. 18 required in 5 deliveries. You just can't breathe a sigh of relief at this stage. 18 required in 5 deliveries. Where is this game headed? Is it headed towards the batting team, that is Rashtrohi cricketers? Or is it towards the Rohit 11? Or who wants a super over? Let's see. Last 5 deliveries, what they produce. 18 runs required to win. Yes, Darpan again. In the air, chance and gone. That's a wicket they were looking after. Surely now we'll be believing that they are already into that final playing against the Ocean Kings. Seven for 7 and invokes Prey Sodankar. 18 required in 4 deliveries. He has done it in the past. Let's see if he can today. 18 required in 4 deliveries. Just now I've been joined by Ashok Bandekar on the phone. No, not timing it properly. Will straight to the fielder. Just be a single. 17 required in 3. 17 runs required in 3 deliveries. Big man Aman on strike for the first time. Can he deliver for his team? Crowd rightly behind the Rohit 11. All their supporters behind them. 3 deliveries, 17 runs required to win. 10 situations. People have lost their nails eating them. Full toss in the air, and that's 6. The drama continues. What is happening? A full toss gets dispatched, and rightly so, over mid-wicket for 6 by Aman. Big man Aman, can he come good for his team? Can he be the hero for the Rastroy cricketers? 18 were required, in fact 17 were required in 3. Now it has come down to 11 in 2. Here's Darpan again. Lot of pressure on him. Can he have the nerves of steel? Yes, he can. That's a dot ball. Excellent bowling. Was in the arc but wasn't capitalized by Aman. So 11 required now of 1. Celebrations have started for the Rohit 11. Slower delivery, and that's it. Victory for the Rohit 11. They worked hard to reach posted by Rohit 11. Top scored by Shankar with 29. Equally well supported by Pradosh Warke with 26.